Have you ever asked yourself what gives Ferrari cars that unique roar and unmatched speed? Engine technology is at the center of Ferrari's automotive prowess, and it all starts with their iconic V12 and V8 engines. These mechanical beasts have been fine-tuned over the decades, delivering high performance that car enthusiasts have come to love. At the heart of these engines, you'll find advanced materials like lightweight alloys and carbon fiber components. These aren't just for show. They play a crucial role in enhancing the power-to-weight ratio of the engine, giving Ferrari cars that extra edge on the racetrack. Imagine a sprinter who's just shed unnecessary weight. They're going to be faster, more agile, and more efficient. That's exactly what these materials do for Ferrari engines. Now let's delve a little deeper into the workings of these engines. One key technology that Ferrari often incorporates is variable valve timing, or VVT for short. This is like the conductor of an orchestra, controlling the timing of the intake and exhaust valves to optimize airflow and combustion at different engine speeds. The result? Enhanced performance, better fuel efficiency, and improved emissions control. Think of it like this: when you're running, your body adjusts how much air you take in, depending on whether you're sprinting or jogging. Similarly, VVT adjusts the engine's breathing based on its pace. Whether the Ferrari is cruising along a coastal road or accelerating down a straight on the racetrack, VVT ensures that the engine is always performing at its peak. But these technologies don't exist in isolation. They work together harmoniously to deliver the power, speed, and performance that Ferrari is known for. It's like a symphony where each instrument plays a crucial role, and together they create a masterpiece. That's the magic of Ferrari's engine technology. It's not just about raw power or speed. It's about how every component, every technology, and every bit of engineering knowledge comes together to create something truly extraordinary. It's clear that Ferrari's engine technology is at the heart of their power and performance. Ever noticed how effortlessly a Ferrari cuts through the air at high speed? It's not just by chance, but rather a testament to Ferrari's advanced active aerodynamic systems, a significant technology that sets these high-performance machines apart. So what exactly are active aerodynamics? Well, think of it as a car's ability to change its shape to best interact with the wind. As the car moves, it is constantly meeting air resistance or drag. This drag can slow the car down and affect stability. That's where active aerodynamics come in. In many Ferrari models, active aerodynamic systems adjust key components like spoilers, flaps, and diffusers based on driving conditions. For instance, when a Ferrari is cruising at high speeds, the aerodynamic components adjust to reduce drag, allowing the car to slice through the air more efficiently. On the flip side, when the car is cornering or braking, these components shift to increase downforce. Downforce is essentially the force that pushes the car's tires onto the road, enhancing grip and stability. By optimizing downforce, Ferraris ensure superior handling, even at breathtaking speeds. But it doesn't stop there. Ferrari's aerodynamics also help to cool the engine and brakes, directing the airflow to these areas when they heat up during high-performance driving. This not only ensures optimal performance but also enhances the longevity of these vital components. The brilliance of Ferrari's active aerodynamics lies in its continuous, real-time adjustments. The car doesn't just react to the immediate conditions, but it also anticipates what's coming. It's a bit like having a co-pilot who's always reading the road, the speed, the conditions, and making micro-adjustments to ensure the best possible performance and stability. These advanced aerodynamics are not just about speed and performance. They're also about safety, ensuring that the car remains stable and predictable, even in the most demanding conditions. So Ferrari's mastery of aerodynamics is key to its high-speed stability and handling. It's a beautiful blend of science, engineering, and art, all working together to create a driving experience like no other. Ever wondered why Ferrari cars are so light yet incredibly strong? Well, the answer lies in the innovative use of advanced materials like carbon fiber in the construction of their cars. Carbon fiber, known for its high strength-to-weight ratio, is one of the key elements that Ferrari employs in the construction of their chassis. This wonder material has a unique combination of high strength and low weight, which is why it's often found in applications where weight savings are critical, like in the aerospace industry and of course in the high-performance world of Ferrari cars. When we talk about a car's chassis, we're referring to the main framework that supports the body and other components of the car. It's essentially the skeleton of the car. Now imagine if this skeleton was made of carbon fiber. Not only would it be incredibly strong, capable of withstanding high-impact forces, but it would also be incredibly light, enhancing the car's power-to-weight ratio. In Ferrari's case, they've taken it a step further by employing a construction method known as monocoque. A carbon fiber monocoque chassis is a single-piece structure that integrates the body and the chassis into one unit. This design approach further enhances the structural rigidity of the car, making it safer and more resistant to deformation in the event of a crash. But the benefits of carbon fiber construction don't stop at strength and safety. By reducing the weight of the car, it also improves overall performance. A lighter car means better acceleration, better braking, and better handling. It's easier to maneuver, and it can reach higher speeds with less effort. So in essence, by using carbon fiber construction, Ferrari is able to create cars that are not just light and strong, but also safe and incredibly fast. It's a perfect example of how the right materials combined with innovative design can lead to extraordinary results. It's evident that Ferrari's carbon fiber construction is pivotal in achieving a balance between strength and weight. This is just one of the many ways that Ferrari continues to push the boundaries of automotive technology and design. Ever pondered what makes the ride in a Ferrari so smooth and precise? Well, the answer lies in one of Ferrari's innovative technologies, the Magnetorheological suspension. This isn't just your average suspension system, it's a game changer. At the heart of this system are the Magnetorheological shock absorbers. So what does this fancy term mean? It's actually pretty straightforward. Magneto refers to magnetism, rheological relates to the flow of matter, and shock absorbers, well, they absorb shock. Now put it all together and you've got a suspension system that uses a magnetic field to control the flow of a fluid within the shock absorbers. The real magic happens when you're out driving. The system is constantly monitoring the road conditions and the dynamics of the car. Is the road smooth or bumpy? Are you taking a gentle curve or a sharp turn? It's all taken into account. The Magnetorheological damping system then adjusts the damping rates in real time. Imagine having millions of tiny iron particles suspended in the fluid within the shock absorbers. When an electric current is passed through, these particles align themselves along the magnetic field, changing the viscosity of the fluid. This in turn changes the resistance of the shock absorbers, allowing them to become firmer or softer as needed. The result? An incredibly smooth ride, even on the bumpiest roads. It also means the handling of the car is precise, giving you the confidence to take corners at speed without worry. But this system does more than just provide comfort. It enhances the overall performance of the car. It allows for better traction, improved stability, and ultimately, a more enjoyable driving experience. Ferrari's Magnetorheological suspension system is a perfect example of how the brand combines cutting-edge technology with top-notch engineering to create cars that are not just fast, but also supremely comfortable and exceptionally precise to drive. Clearly, Ferrari's Magnetorheological suspension is key to its ride comfort and precision handling. Ever thought about how Ferrari cars maintain such exceptional control, even at high speeds? Well, it all comes down to their advanced vehicle dynamics and control systems. Let's start with the Electronic Stability Control, or ESC. This system is like the car's guardian angel, quietly monitoring various parameters to keep the car stable and under control. It's always watching the car's speed, wheel rotation, the angle of the steering wheel, and the direction the car is moving. If the ESC detects a discrepancy, say the car is moving in a different direction than the steering wheel is pointing, it springs into action. It can apply the brakes to individual wheels or reduce engine power to help get the car back on track. This ensures optimal traction and stability, even in challenging driving conditions. But it's not all about safety. Ferrari also wants its drivers to have some fun, and that's where side slip control, or SSC, comes in. SSC is a technology that's all about performance. It helps optimize the slip angle during cornering. That's the angle between the direction the car is moving and the direction the wheels are pointing. Too much slip angle and you're drifting out of control. Too little and you're not using the car's full potential. SSC continuously monitors the car's dynamics and adjusts the power sent to each wheel to optimize the slip angle. This allows drivers to experience controlled drifting, enhancing performance and making each drive more exciting. It's like having a professional racing coach on board, guiding you to achieve the perfect drift. Together, these systems, the vigilant ESC and the thrill-seeking SSC, work in harmony to deliver the exceptional control and performance Ferrari cars are known for. They're just another example of how Ferrari uses cutting-edge technology and engineering prowess to create cars that are both safe and exhilarating to drive. In conclusion, Ferrari's advanced vehicle dynamics and control systems ensure maximum control and performance at all times.